Welcome to this week's sneak peek. What am I getting up to in this vlog?
Morning, y'all. It is 7:30 Tuesday morning. Rachel and Stephanie have departed, and I stole all the pillows from Rachel's bed, so I'm sitting on like 5 pillows. Well, not all. There's one left over there, but I have like 5 pillows. I'm resting. I'm not going to be able to go back to sleep, so I'm just rotting in bed for a little bit longer before I have to be a person. But good morning, vlog. Travel day. Work tomorrow. Everything's gonna be okay.
Current view. Well, I guess I'm also looking at my phone, but you can't see that because I'm recording on it. But eating my leftover pad thai, drinking the non-Pedialyte my sister left behind, and some water. Just relaxing. And then I finally got up and I had to get packing because we had to go get some delicious breakfast. I did not need a flight of mimosas, but the restaurant was called Flight, so pretty much everything came in a flight. So my aunt and I got some mimosas. I don't know, I think the peach one was the best. This is my brekkie. It is 12 p.m. We checked out the hotel. We had some delicious breakfast. We just say goodbye to Auntie Michelle. We're going to a Savers because I convinced the parents to go thrift. Well, I convinced mom to go thrifting. I don't need no convincing on dad's part.
No convincing at all.
No convincing. And it was very minimal convincing because I said, "Can we please do it?" And she said, "Okay." So we're gonna go thrifting. Hopefully, I can find a cute small little mirror to take back for me because I have a mirror from Texas. I don't have one from New Mexico, and I regret it, but that's okay. But we're gonna go do some things. We're up to some things. I'll show y'all later, but just needed to check in because I don't think I did a check-in this morning already. This is some non-copywritten music for your enjoyment. I finessed us 20 minutes at the thrift store, so we're on it.
Is it Tuesday?
Oh, it is Tuesday! Let's go! My dad's buying. Yeah! Okay, so since a mirror was what I most wanted, I made a beeline for this wall, and here she is, my beautiful little treat. I kind of regret not getting these because they're so funny, but I did not get them. Ties, the tie section popped off at this here location. I was a happy gal. The biggest jackpot was with the ties. I found, I don't know how many, probably, I could have gotten more, but I got a few ties. I'm getting a skirt, I'm getting a mirror, so a good haul, and 30% off because my dad is 55 and over and it's Tuesday. Honestly, this was me running to the bathroom because I really did have to pee, and then my dad was like, "You need to run the checkout situation because that's not something I can do." So I did the checkout, and then I asked the lovely worker, I said, "Hey, I got a 55 up, can we get that discount?" Yeah, 5 ties, 1 skirt, 1 mirror, 2 shirts, $32. Awesome. Score! And now we're running to Zippy's, and then the airport. And then home, boo, just kidding. Okay, so my mom grew up in Hawaii, and Zippy's is a restaurant that's like pretty much only available like on the islands locally. So the fact that they had one in Las Vegas that was close to the airport, like we had to go. We had to get zip packs to eat on the plane. That's like what we always used to do when we were kids. We would get food so that we weren't hungry. Like we'd be ravenous when we got off the plane when we got home. So like if you get one of these here terry beef plates or anything, I don't think they'd let you take the vegetarian chili through. There's not a lot of good vegetarian options, so I apologize. But I'm not a vegetarian, obviously. I'm eating a little beef terry plate. And then this was the funniest part for me. My parents went to the bathroom and I carried all of our stuff. And then they obviously took what was theirs. They didn't make me carry it the whole time. Thank goodness. Fresh air. Beautiful PNW sunset. I'm not excited to be back to reality, but I am excited to be back in Washington. So I did have to work the next day, and I did have to drive home after getting off the plane, and this is the happiest that Sebastian has ever been to see me home. Like, he drooled all over my Crocs, so much so that he was, like, soaking wet. Y'all will see in a second, but he was just a very happy boy, and I was happy to be home to see my little guy. Look at how wet he is. Look at that. It's ridiculous. It's fine. And then he sticks his little tongue out. Good morning, y'all. Happy Friday. It is about 9:30 a.m. I had to get up early today because we had a maintenance request day. We had to get our sink fixed. I almost said our fink fixed. Jesus. We had to get our sink fixed this morning, so I had to be up
They came at like 8:38, and I was like, before 9 a.m.? Okay, hi, thank you for being here fixing my sink. So I made a coffee in my Rainforest Cafe cup because I was so excited that they give you the novelty cup. Like, it says Vegas on it, so they give you the cup when you buy the drinks. So, and I don't have, like, I'm not really, after the Vegas trip, I need to not drink alcohol for a little bit. So I'm not going to be making any cocktails in this cup, so I need to have a little bit of coffee. And it also means that I need to go to a different Rainforest Cafe location so that I can get a second cup, so that if I was with someone else, they could also drink out of the cup. Or have a cup to drink so that we'd match. I need to stop talking. I honestly need to go back to bed, but that's not happening. There's not a world in which that's happening. So I'm going to eat my breakfast. I'm going to plan some content. I have errands to run. I should not spend money, but I do have quite a return at the thrift store. So we'll see. I also need to figure out, because I thrifted 3 things in Vegas, but I gave 1 item away to my sister. And if you technically count the 1 item I still had pending from returns and exchanges at the thrift store, because everything I have right now that I thrifted last time is going back. So I technically only have to get rid of 1 item from my closet to make up for the 3 things that I got in Vegas, because I had 1 thing pending, so that cancels out, and then I gave something to my sister, so that cancels out. And I'm not counting shoes or accessories, because I purchased a pair of shoes from Ross. But they're Bratz doll shoes, and I'm so excited to wear them. I just have to wait for the blisters on my feet to go away from Vegas. That was a lot of things to say. But, good morning, happy Friday. I'm not ready to be alive and awake. I'm going to sleep in tomorrow, hopefully. That's the plan.
Did a little protein, waffle, sausage, hash brown for breakfast. I've been trying to diversify my breakfast because I usually eat the same thing every day for years until I'm sick of it, and I kind of got tired of what I was eating. And then here we see the Asian market. I've seen these noodles in cooking before, but I've never seen them to purchase before, so I was excited to get them. And then they were out of my sesame oil tier to get some tofu. Okay, Asian market is done, so I'm in line at the Jiffy Lube because my change oil light soon came on, but I'm like 3,000 miles away from needing an oil change. So hopefully they're just going to top me off and tell me I'm fine. We'll see. I shouldn't have to pay for an oil change today. I need to get my tabs soon. In Washington State, they're called tabs with a B. Every other state, I'm pretty sure it's tagged with the G. I had a fight about this with a friend once in high school. We were both right. Ends up we were both right because we were from different states. So, but just waiting patiently. I can do a snack taste test of the little snacks I got because it was a $10 minimum, and they didn't have the sesame oil that I wanted to get. Well, they didn't have any. So, and I guess I could have asked if they had more in the back, but I got these little crunchy peanut pretzel stick guys. I've had them before. They're so good. Stay hydrated, my friends. I did not need more oil or an oil change. They just helped me reset my sensor. And then this cutie little mirror, I did not get it, but I loved the little ribbon detailing. And then I already have a picnic basket, but a watermelon picnic basket. Like, I did not purchase this, but it was so cute. Another cute thing I did not purchase. This is what I didn't purchase, actually, kind of. The mirror was so cute, but I do not have any space for mirrors, and that was not a gold mirror, so it just, I need to be more picky when I buy things, especially mirrors, and I'm trying to be real good about it. This was a cute, the 3D of it was very interesting. And then, I need more plain ties for my tie skirt. So I probably should be done buying ties. I think I am good. But here's me at the grocery outlet Bargain Market. Just getting some accoutrement for the week. Some protein, some snack. So I have absolutely no idea how much money I spent in there. Let's check my receipt. 40. Okay, not bad. I did get some sauces I wasn't anticipating. Oh, and I need to get a Sausiford That's okay. It's good to have ingredients. I don't have a lot of ingredients. I have bad snack portion control, so I don't, but like balsamic vinegar, like that's something good to have. Or red wine, whatever I bought, I didn't have it, and I feel like if I had a recipe that I wanted to use it, I would have to go buy it, and now I have it. I need more olive oil, but I'm gonna get that from Costco. I don't know anything about this sauce, but it looked good. Sweet and savory hot sauce that you will find yourself putting on everything. Dumpling, grilled meat, soft cheese, eggs, carbs. And I'm making KBBQ, like the faux KBBQ that I make for me and a friend tomorrow. So I thought bringing this as a sauce option, or I mean, I just thought of that, but if it's good on grilled meats, I mean, I don't have a grill, but I have like a pan that I'm really excited, and I'll show you some of that tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna go to Fred Meyer now, which means I'm gonna put the cold stuff in the cold bag that I brought with like a little ice pack. Oh, and I love me, so I brought a snack. I mean, I guess I could eat some pita chips and hummus, but I want to zhuzh the hummus up so it tastes not a little bit better, but a little bit better. And I also want veggies to use it because I like raw orange bell pepper, and I like cucumber in my hummus. Oh, and maybe some carrots. I need to revise my grocery list because now I have hummus to eat as a snack with some pita chips, so I'm gonna need some more veg for that. But I'm excited. This Fred Meyer parking lot is insanely busy, and I am not excited. Wish me luck. I am a tulip girly through and through, and y'all know I had to get the pink. I am almost out of my sauce, so I needed more. Then I wanted to try the Chipotle Tabasco. Strawberries were on sale. Whenever I do like big lettuce wraps, I always get the bag of romaine because I need more than just a head of lettuce. Good morning, y'all. Happy Saturday. It's about 10:45 a.m. Last night, I took like a 3.5 hour nap. I woke up at like, I don't know, 8 something, doom scrolled, took a shower, made some dinner, passed out on the couch again before 11. And then I slept in today until like 9:30. I needed a lot. I'm catching up from Vegas. I've no energy, and that's okay. I'm gonna take a COVID test just to make sure. But I made a delicious little breakfast. It's an English muffin, a hash brown patty, sausage, and an egg, and then I put some jelly on the bottom. I bought, earlier in the vlog, the Chipotle Tabasco. I tried a little bit of it last night, and when I say a little, I mean too much. I put too much on my finger, and I tried it, and I was like, because I had nothing else with me. I should have tried it on something, but I'm excited to have it today. I mixed it around with the ketchup. Well, I didn't mix it in, but I put it on top of it, and then put something on top, whatever. I'm excited to eat some breakfast. I'm gonna hang out with a friend today later. I realized I need to go to Winco, and even though I was in the parking lot yesterday, I didn't go. But I didn't realize I needed hash browns. And my eggs are about to go bad. And when I say that, I mean they're already past the date on the carton, but they're doing the egg test, and they're almost floating in the water test. So I need to get new eggs for this week. But I haven't really been eating eggs, so do I want to? It's not a bad idea to have them. I need to go get some eggs. And then I need to stop spending money forever. Just kidding, but. Okay, excuse me. Okay, check back in later. Alright, y'all, I've made it to the Winco. I have a couple of things I need to get. I have my baggie of stuff in the car that I already have to bring food over to my friends, but I decided with the eggs I need to use, I'm going to make some egg drop soup, so I need to get new eggs for the week. I need no hash browns, and I might get stuff to make a little cocktail beverage, so we'll see. I'm excited. I don't think I'm going to get a cart, so I probably won't really film in there because I'm going to use my arms. And my list is on my phone, so... Oh, and my glasses are so dirty. Okay. But here's the makeup look today, and I think I'm going to edit it, post it today. I filmed, like what I would wear to Coachella video, so since Coachella's this weekend, so hopefully that'll do well. Apparently 8 p.m. is when my followers are most active tonight, so get ready for that. Hope y'all saw it. If not, go back and check it out. Parked and making my way over to Lauren's apartment. Sorry, she thought I was taking a picture. And Lauren's food is made. I didn't film any of it. It's delicious. And then I opened the little Christmas present she got me, which was some socks and this cutie little lip oil. It smells so good. I literally went and bought it in a different color, like flavor way. I am very happy camper. And then we decided to go on a walk, and she was like, use this setting spray that I bought. And so I tried some setting spray. I've never really used it. I don't make up my whole face, just my eyeballs, and they do get really greasy. So I don't know if it helped at all, but it was fun to do that. So I'm not mad. Dinner was so good. Yeah, sorry, it's a video. Dinner was so good that we had to take a walk. So we're walking around downtown. Also because I drank, I mean, we split a bottle of champagne. Yeah. But I need to be sober to drive home. So having a little walk, doing some fun, vibing. Hey y'all, editor Rebecca here, coming on to end the vlog. I'm laughing because at the beginning of the video I said I wasn't going to drink for a while, and then on Saturday I made cocktails for a friend. Whatever, I am still tired from the Vegas trip, and it's now pretty much May. And that's okay, it was a great trip. April has been kicking my butt. So the vlog, I was going to post one on Thursday, an extra special, another one. I think it'll go up on Friday. But watch out for another video this week. Thank y'all for being flexible with me. Remember to subscribe. Tell your mom about me. I don't know. I'm having a lot of fun, and I want more people to enjoy my videos. But comment down below, what do you want to see more content of? Do you like the vlogs? Do we want more style videos? What long form content do we want, people? Thank you much. Thanks for being here. See you later.